Here we have three spreadsheets where we want to summarize all of that information into one spreadsheet. So we begin by clicking in the blank summary, inserting a formula starting with an equal sign. We go over, we click on the first cell that we want to add, and up in the formula bar we need to add a plus sign. We go down, we click on the second one we want to add, go up, add a plus sign, and click on the third one, and there's no need for another plus sign since we're done. We simply hit enter, and there's our total. And notice our formula refers to each of the sheets by name. Now we can try copying it down, and we know from previous lessons that a relative copy will change the formula for us, but since we have absolute references here, that's not going to work. So let's undo that. And now let's go remove the dollar signs and turn those from absolute to relative formulas for each sheet. That will enable us to copy the formula and have it change for us automatically, or we can go in and create a formula for each cell individually. Select the cell, select the fill handle, copy it down, and there we have our new formulas, which we can now carry across for the entire worksheet. Now I'm going to summarize or sum the totals. I could copy that cell over as well, but I want to have the sum function in this spreadsheet instead. Copy that over. Let's go ahead and put some dollar signs in there to make it look proper. And then finally, let's add a little bit of color to the total row so that we can see at a glance the totals. And there we have it. We have now summarized all of the sheets on one. And you'll notice now that when we look at the formulas that the cell references have changed automatically, and they represent each worksheet attached to this worksheet. What's nice about having a summary sheet is if we go to the other spreadsheets and we change a value there, the summary sheet is automatically updated. We notice over here we have 433 as a total, so we go over to quarter one, and let's suppose that 63 was really actually, I don't know, say 10 cars. So we enter 10, and we notice immediately that the totals are updated on both the original spreadsheet and the summary spreadsheet. We go back, we correct that to 63 or get fired, come back and notice that the summary sheet is now updated with the correct total.